Hi, it's Darren from Soar, and this is a short tutorial on how to register on the Soar platform. You'll want to access the Soar homepage first. When you've done this, click on the Register button. Enter an email as well as a password. While you're doing this, it's a good idea to have a read through the terms and conditions. At the end, click the confirmation box as well as the Register button. This will take you to an Edit Profile page. You can choose a name for your profile on Soar, as well as enter a bio. You can also include links to your Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and website under your profile. You'll need to make sure that all of the characters in your link to your Facebook profile are in lowercase letters. The last thing you can do is upload an image to serve as your avatar on the Soar platform. After you've uploaded your image, you can click Save. Once the progress bar has completed, scroll to the top of the web page to note that you now have an avatar as well as links to all of your social media platforms. Thanks for choosing Soar, and please check our YouTube account for more videos on how to use the Soar platform.